Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do something different. See, what Savitri Ka Puja is coming, and we all know that we worship Lord Saraswati, and many children had requested me to make that, so I'm going for it. But I'm not going to make the normal big Saraswati. I'm making a cute little dolly Saraswati. So for that, see, I have two spots here which I will need to cover it later. So I'm making a cute little choppy Saraswati for my drawings. So what I do is, I think so this face will be too big for the, I'll make it a bit small. Okay, so I'm just making this. This will be the ear part of our Lordest goddess Saraswati, and this will be her earring here. So let's make the eyes first. So for making the eyes first, what we need to do is make the T factor, and after making the T factor, what we need to do is to make the lips. Yes, the lips will come here, then the nose, and then the eye. I want a cute little eye to come. Let's see whether I am able to do it properly or no. So we are making cute little eye. So our nose is okay. Now our Saraswati is talking to us. Okay, so she's talking to us. So let's make her face open. I mean to say her lips open, and she's trying to say something to us. Okay, now this is perfect. And then we shall have her hair flowing from here, and yes, her chubby cheeks. Yes. See, with the face you need to put a little bit of your effort so that the face comes cute. After that, what we are going to do, this is a big diamond which she is wearing, a big diamond, okay, a big ruby, and since we have the peacock as well as the swan, so we will do both. We'll do both here. So her crown is of a peacock, trying to do something different. So her crown is of the peacock with the peacock feathers flowing here. Okay, so this is her crown, a different crown. This will be her hair, her floating hair in the air. Wow, what a rhyme. Now before doing that, we'll make the sitar and everything, and then we will go in for the other parts. Okay, so this is the crown, children. I've just given this white spot so that this spot. So we'll make a cute little chin also for her. Now her sitar, we are going to take sitar hota hai, veena hota hai. We'll take it this way. Okay, then it is a big doom types. Now we still have to take it down. This will be a complete doom here. I don't know actually how it is, and I get so confused. इसका इधर ऐसा मोटा होता है, then again it goes down, and then it is like that, correct, if I'm not mistaken, because this drawing is something which I'm doing by heart. I'm not seen any images, so I'm a bit confused with the, और ऐसा कुछ होता है कि नहीं, आई डोंट नो, पर हम लोग तार बना देंगे. पर तार बनाने से पहले वी विल मेक द लोटस ऑल्सो फॉर हर. सो हियर इज हर साड़ी विच इज़ गोइंग. अभी इधर से उसका ब्लाउज आ रहा है और इधर से उसका हाथ ऐसा आ रहा है, एंड शी इज़ विद द सितार का रिंग्स. सो 1 2 3. I'm sorry for counting, but I usually do that because I keep on making mistakes. No, we'll not put the thumb. See, this is how a memory drawing is done, children. See, now I haven't used the mark itna nahi. I'm just trying to recollect how the hand will go. The hand will come here, and it will go here somewhere behind. Okay, so this is done. Now the other hand is like that, and she is the Saraswati for us, correct? So she is having her hands like that, trying to sing something for us. Our Saraswati is cute. She has to be cute because she's for us. Okay, now this is her blouse, but her sari will go from here and it will float somewhere. And this is the sitting position, and now we have to make her sitting in a lotus. So what will we do is, first we will make few petals of lotus, and then whatever is coming in between shall be rubbed off. So whatever is coming in between, children, will all be rubbed off, because our Saraswati is sitting in a lotus cutely. I think so, yes. So this should be the lotus petals. This is the inner part of the lotus where our Saraswati is sitting. Okay, from here we will give the swan. We have to give a swan too, so let us make the swan like that. No. Will she look good like that? No, she'll not look good like that. Let's see how we will make the swan. Let us make the pattas first. Our lotus. Okay, so this is our lotus, and this is the water which is here. We still have to make the swan. We still have to make the hand is done. Now the hair part. So let us make her hair floating in the air. Okay, because the beauty of a woman comes through her hair. So let's make this hair like that, floating off. You know, once when I had made Lord Lakshmi, even then I had given an open hair with few I think so this is fine enough. And now what we need to give is the swan part. So what we will do is, we'll put a swan here. Let the swan go here. Okay, the swan का ऐसे काला होता है ऐसे, फिर इधर उसकी आँख होती है, और फिर उसकी बीक जो जाती है वो ऐसे जाती है, और इसके इधर से ऐसा एक कुछ निकलता है, because this is the entire thing which is black and this is black. Okay, after that we will do the gardan part. We'll take a turn like that for the swan, and here she goes. So we have the swan also. Just नहीं, ये थोड़ी सी मोटी हो गई है, तो हम लोग इसको थोड़ा सा पतला बना देते हैं. So we have the swan which is behind our Saraswati. Correct? We have the lotus, and we'll put little more lotuses here and there. Okay, we will put, this is the pond in which our goddess Saraswati is there. I think so we have done it. Or what we can do is, we can put few branches of trees coming down and few leaves and flowers. Let's see how it turns out to be. Even I'm not dead sure about it, but let's plan something. Let's make few flowers like that also. Okay, we'll start coloring, children. Once we start coloring, you all will be even more confident of what I have done, and even I will be more confident, because I don't know what I have done is right or no. I don't know what jewelry Lord, I mean to say Saraswati, can we make little flowers instead of the jewelries? That will look more prettier. Let's make few flowers. Let's give this part. I think so she wears red and white sari. and now she's sitting inside this. So first let us try and do the face, the cutie face. We'll start coloring, but we'll make the peacock. Okay, for the peacock we need to make this part also. No, but I'll use my marker in case I want to paint. I don't know whether I'll paint. So first what am I doing is making the eye, children. Making the eye. What color eye do you want? We can make any color eye for her. Okay, now these few delicate parts I'm definitely going to do with my sketch pens or my pencil colors. See, the eye has to be absolutely beautiful. That's what I believe. अभी उसके जो ये lips है उसके नीचे का part I'll do it. Then we'll make the teeth. My God, it is so fat. And then will come the lips. So let's see. I'll do it with a sketch pen. So I have my sketch pens with me now. Previously I did not have my sketch pen, so कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो ही जाती थी. Now let us do the eye blue. Okay, let us make the eyes blue, and let's make the lips red. Red lips will be red, of course. तो ये पार्ट हम लोग रेड कर देते हैं अच्छे से. और इनकेस हमारा कुछ ऐसे हो जाता तो वी कैन ऑलवेज चेंज और अभी ये दाग तो दिखने नहीं वाले बिकॉज मेरा मार्कर स्प्रेड हो गया था. तो एनीवेज दिस इज हर लिप्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स ओए ये पार्ट भी रेड होएगा. करेक्ट. This part is the eyeshadow part, which is also going to be red. Now let us start with the shading part of it. First I always do my eyes so that I don't make any mistakes. Now to do the shading part, for the face I'm using my pencil colors, children. For the first time I'll be using pencil colors to do the shading of the face because आई फील कि ये दीज आर ऑल डेलिकेट पार्ट्स और वो फिर वो उसमें कन्फ्यूजन हो जाता है और थोड़ा सा फैल जाता है ऑयल पेस्टल. सो आई एम यूजिंग मल्टीमीडिया हियर, चिल्ड्रन. आई नो आई एम साउंडिंग लिटिल बोरिंग टुडे, बट इट्स ओके यार. समटाइम्स इट्स ओके टू बिकम बोरिंग, है ना. Sometimes it's really okay to become boring. So I've done this. Now I'm using my skin color. No, first I need to put the blush on for her. So let's put the blush on. It is the same way how we do our oil pastel. Nothing has changed, children. Nothing has changed. It is the only thing that we are using pencil colors because it will give us a better result for the face. I don't know whether it is going to give. I'm using it for the first time. So I'm leaving the white part and then completely doing the skin. और ये गला भी स्किन. अभी ये जो पार्ट है, ओए ये गले के नीचे का जो पार्ट है उसको हम लोग थोड़ा सा ब्राउन कर देंगे अगर चाहिए तो. अदरवाइज यू कैन प्रेस योर दिस और ये फैलता नहीं है. सो एंड आई डोंट हैव वाइट्स हियर. ओह ग्रेट. सो लेट अस डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ पिंकी lightly here. And the orange goes again. Here you have to take multiple because this is not going to spread for you, and you should keep on trying new things. I feel you should keep on trying new things. So let's do it with the pencil color this time. I don't know whether it will really look nice. as good as our oil pastels. Let me tell you children, even I am trying it for the first time, but even if I'm trying it for the first time, I'm doing it in front of you so that, see, now here the hands I'm completely coloring its skin. बिकॉज ऑयल पेस्टल में क्या होता है, वो बहुत जाड़िया होता है. अभी ये मेरा फ्लावर्स आएंगे तो वो जाड़िया होने के कारण मेरे से थोड़ा थोड़ा बाहर स्प्रेड हो जाता है. तो आई सेड लेट मी ट्राई एंड आई एम जस्ट गिविंग अ ट्राई. आई हैवंट एवर डन इट बिफोर. आई हैड पेंसिल कलर्स बट आई हैव नेवर डन इट बिफोर. बट देन आई फेल्ट आज ट्राई मार के देखते हैं, तो हमने ट्राई मार के देखा. You should keep on trying something. Always keep on trying new techniques. Initially, I never used to like pencil colors because they are very light. They are not as bright as our oil pastels. Are they? No, they aren't. So हमारा स्किन, हाँ इधर का रह गया ना स्किन, तो इधर हम लोग थोड़ा सा शैडो एरिया बनाते हैं. And then we shall color its skin. Oh, that much is enough for today. है ना? Both कर लिया, skinny, 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 skin, skin, skin. Now I am using my sketch pen for the red border here. Saraswati is supposed to be wearing a red sari with a white border, and her blouse is supposed to be red. So we are doing it red. We are making a cute Saraswati. So please, please, please don't get कि हमारी सरस्वती ऐसा क्यों है. It is just for fun. We are doing it in a little different way. We always do it in one particular way. This time we are doing it in another way where we are using sketch pens and we are using oil pastels and we are using pencil colors. So we are using all sorts of mediums for it. So let's go. अभी हम लोग लोटस को करेंगे वाइट और पिंक की शेडिंग. पिंक हम लोग ले लेंगे, हम लोग रोज पिंक लें. रोज पिंक इज़ माई फेवरेट कलर, रोज पिंक. So what we will do is make the shading part very cute. The lower part is going to be rose pink. First let's make the complete पत्ता. आफ्टर मेकिंग द कंप्लीट पत्ता हम लोग एक साइड को थोड़ा सा रोज पिंक कर देंगे, फिर वाइट से इसको स्प्रेड करके ऐसे ऐसे अच्छे से हम लोग पत्ता बना देंगे. ठीक है, तो हम लोग का अभी मैं हर जगह पहले रोज पिंक कर देती हूँ. Now this is the inner part which will be different colored. See, this is my lotus, children. Lotus can be made freehand, children. Don't you bother of making lotus. कई लोग लोटस बनाते वक्त बहुत कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं और फिर वो सब, when you all try to make it more symmetrical. See, now I feel there should be one petal here. I'm just putting one petal here, okay? You need not be very conscious about it, because the more conscious you are, the more bad it starts looking. That is my experience. जब अंधाधुन कर देते ना तो वो ऑटोमेटिक अच्छी लगने लग जाती है लोटस. अभी हम लोग इसमें थोड़ा सा रेड का भी शेडिंग मारेंगे बिकॉज बॉर्डर्स में थोड़ा ज़रूरत होएगा तो करेंगे. नाउ वी आर जस्ट डूइंग इट विथ वाइट. नाउ दिस इज़ माई ऑयल पेस्टल. सी हाउ मेनी मीडियम्स आई एम यूजिंग हियर. आई एम पर्पसली यूजिंग सो मेनी मीडियम्स सो दैट यू ऑल नो कि अगर ऐसा कुछ ड्राइंग आए तो हम लोगों को अलग अलग मीडियम से भी हम लोग इसको ऐसे बना सकते हैं. and I purposely did not make the traditional Saraswati. I am making a बच्चू सरस्वती because हम बच्चे हैं, मैं नहीं हूँ पर तुम लोग तो बच्चे हो, बच्चे बच्चे की तरह क्यूटी पाई सरस्वती बनाओगे तो सरस्वती will also be very happy. Correct me if I am wrong. Okay, now this inner part is fluorescent because this is the lotus का inside का part. Okay, so this is particularly fluorescent color. Now उसकी वीणा, अभी हमारी सरस्वती है तो हमारी सरस्वती की वीणा ब्राउनिश नहीं होगी, हम लोग डीप येलो कलर लेते हैं. हमारी वीणा डिफरेंट होगी. हमारी वीणा will not be the original brown color. Of course we are going to use the brown color but not here. तो ये हो गया. अभी ये डीप येलो के साथ हम मरून नहीं लेते, हम लोग ब्राउन लेते हैं, अपना नॉर्मल ब्राउन, और फिर इसको इधर से ब्राउन करते हैं. ये जो इसका ऐसा गुंचा होता है उसको भी ब्राउन करते हैं. See children, even I learn so many things from y'all. Y'all will not believe it, but the fact is that when I search my canvas and scissors wala part and I see so many different ways children make it, I learn through it children. I always learn through that. So you are always a learner. How much ever Buddha you become, you can never be perfect. You are always learning in the process. Correct? So this is done. Our swan is going to be white. तो उसके अंदर से जो धब्बे पहले निकाल देते हैं और फिर ये जो पार्ट है जो ब्लैक होता है उसको पहले ब्लैक कर देते हैं. Okay, this part is completely black. My God, my marker is not writing. This part is black. If you have ever seen a swan, और फिर मैंने तो स्वैन को खाना भी खिलाया, बहुत क्यूटली खिलाया है. ओके, नाउ मैं थोड़ा सा ऑरेंज शेडिंग करती हूँ और फिर थोड़ा सा रेडिश कर देती हूँ. ठीक है, ऐसे ही मैं थोड़ी सी होशियारी मार रही है. शोइंग यू ऑल सो मेनी कलर्स. आई एम डूइंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ होशियारी वर्क. Okay, so this is the way my swan is. Now I'm going to take white color. I have to clean. I took my pink color. I have to clean my white before I start doing the swan because नहीं तो swan बन जाएगी गुलाब. जरा इधर दिखा दो. अभी हम लोग की swan कलर हो चुकी है. अभी जब हम लोग इसका बैकग्राउंड करेंगे that time you all will realize. अभी जो इसका नग है ना, we will do it blue. We should always do something different. अपना पिकॉक तो वैसे भी हम लोग की ब्लूइश कलर में होती है ना, तो हम लोग जो इसका नग है ना, पहले हम लोग ने इसमें एंटवर्प ब्लू लिया, ऐसे ऐसे गुच्ची कर दिए और फिर थोड़ा सा वाइट लेके हम ऐसे गुली करके ये नग बना दिया. मैंने बोला ना हम एक बड़ा सा नग बनाएंगे. अभी हम लोग ले लेंगे हमारा पर्शियन ब्लू, अल्ट्रामरीन ब्लू, पर्शियन ब्लू नहीं, हम लोग डार्क वायलेट लेते हैं और ये हमारे मोर का बन गया पंख. ठीक है, तो हम लोग ये डार्क वॉयलेट को ऐसे करते हुए नीचे लेकर जाते हुए ये हमारा मोर का पंख बन गया. सी आई एम नॉट स्ट्रेचिंग मच विद द शेडिंग ऑफ मोर का पंख का, कुछ और कर नहीं रही हूँ. आई एम डूइंग इट वेरी ये की होया सिंपली. ये हमारे मोर का पंख है. दिस इज हर क्राउन. Okay, now from here what we are going to do is first let us color the beak red. So let's make the beak red so that we are not confused. अच्छा, अभी इसमें भी क्या होता है पता है? I'll take the blue sketch pen and I'll show it to you. हमारे मोर के में भी ऐसा वाइट कलर का होता है और ये पार्ट इधर उसकी आईज होएगी एंड मोर का भी ऐसा ही होता है पार्ट. आईज को हम लोग ब्लैक कर देंगे ऑफ कोर्स. सो दिस इज द वे Your more punk is a little different. Wait. Here we have to use not a sketch pen, a marker. In fact, ये करने के लिए, उसकी आईज बनाने के लिए, ये उसके ओके if you all are understanding, it's okay. If you all are not understanding also, it is okay, because even I don't know what I have done. Yeah, I keep on playing with things, children, and if it comes out to be good, it's okay. If it does not come out to be good also, it is okay for me. No props. So this is the मोरपंख का ऊपर का शेंडी. So this is her crown. This is the crown of our Saraswati. See, I have always tried to do certain things certain differently, and that is why I'm doing it like that. If you are liking it, you do continue. If you are not liking it, you all can do the way you all want it to be done. Okay, now हम लोग हमारी सरस्वती के बाल को थोड़ा सा लाइट ब्राउन, थोड़ा सा डार्क ब्राउन और थोड़ा सा ब्लैक करेंगे. So this is all her hair, children, floating in the air. Actually, you know why it took time for me. Now this is my brown to do this Saraswati, because I was not understanding which and what type of Saraswati should we do. I never wanted to do the original Saraswati, मतलब जो भगवान जैसे दिखता है वैसा वाला मुझे करने का दिल नहीं था. That is why I said, let me do something for the children. Let our Saraswati be for the children. I know everybody will not like it, and I'm going to get a thumbs down also for it, but it's okay for me. I want to be different. This is what I am. I want to make myself happy first. If you are happy, you can make the entire world happy. And if you are cranky baby, you will never be able to do your work in the way, the pattern you want it to happen. So her hair is here also. Now we are going to use different colors. Now I am going to use black also for her hair. But before using black, what am I going to do is just smudge this part off. Okay. So this is the way I am doing my hair. Brown, light brown, highlighted hair. Our Saraswati is highlighted with highlighted hair. Oh, idhar gadbad ho gayi. Koi gal nahi. Now my blacks, that will give more beauty to my Saraswati. Now since this is the inner part, this needs to be more black, so I'm putting more black here. You know, this is exactly how we do the hair of our anime characters also. And these are her floating hair. You just have to do this, and then you have to smudge it in a way that it starts looking pretty. Now the ones which are nearer will be definitely blacker. Now अभी ये जो हम लोग का नहीं दिख रहा है ना मोरपंख, वो भी दिखने लग जाएगा. हम लोग थोड़ी सी स्क्रैपिंग टेक्निक फॉलो करेंगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली दिखने लग जाएगा. For the background, of course, we are going to use watercolors. So just give me some time. I'll go and get it. Let us first finish our entire Saraswati. Now she is wearing a white earring. Okay, she's wearing a white earring. Now this part needs to be. Now जो ये मोरपंख नहीं दिख रहा है उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम लोग एक स्क्रैपर ले सकते हैं. अभी मेरे को स्क्रैपर तो नहीं दिख रहा है, तो वील जस्ट स्क्रैप दिस पार्ट. ओके, व्हेन वी स्क्रैप दिस पार्ट इट विल स्टार्ट बी सीन. नाउ आवर मोरपंख इज डन चिल्ड्रन. अभी ये जो हाथ का पार्ट है जो हमने पेंसिल कलर से किया था, उसमें हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा स्केच पेन करके उसको, अच्छा ये पार्ट पे हमको ब्लैक करना है. ये पार्ट पे हमको ब्लैक करना है। नाउ ये फ्लावर्स जो हमने बनाए थे उसको भी हाईलाइट करना है। ये हमारे सरस्वती का हाथ है जो हमने ऑरेंज से किया था पर वो नहीं दिख रहा है, सो वी आर डूइंग इट ब्लैक। ओके, नाउ दिस इज हर ब्लाउज। Okay, now her blouse is red in color and I've done it white, so I need to do it red. Where is my red sketch pen? Here it is. Din 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 din. Din 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 din. And this is her blouse. And yeah, her sari is white. Correct. ओए एक ही कर देता, black आएगा. So let's make the border for the sitar also. Swan is done. Okay, now what we will take is we'll make few more lotuses first in water. See, I'm just doing it like that. अब फिर shading भी कर दूँगी white से, small lotuses here and there. Okay, now since this is the pond and we have all similar ones, where's my white? Oh, I can't see my white. Okay, I'll do it later on whenever I am able to see my white. Not to be seen. Here, it is here. So हम लोग थोड़ी थोड़ी शेडिंग वाइट की कर देंगे ऐसे ऐसे निकाल के. So ये भी हो गया हमारा. Now हम लोग ने पानी में थोड़ा सा इधर इधर वाइट किया है. Should we do the entire drawing with oil pastels? I am liking oil pastels. So let us continue. Now this is water, children. So we can do the entire. So you just have to make dashes for waters. Just keep on making dashes. This side is also water. You make dashes and then okay, you make dashes with two colors. You can take two blues for your dashes and then you need to smudge it and then use your whites. सुला के करना है. You don't have to really bother about the water का इतना कुछ. Just have to do it in a very light manner here in the air. So do it in a light manner with great dashes. Now we are going to smudge it first and after smudging it again, oh my hands are dirty. So हम लोग थोड़ा थोड़ा smudging कर रहे हैं. You can use your white colors also for smudging. That will give you a much better effect. So see, I'm using my whites for my smudging. Then again we are going to use blues, blue dashes and Antwerp blue dashes. This is the way I was taught by my she used to assist me in my classes. So she is the one, Barkha, who has taught me. Lotuses जो plain हो जाएंगे उसको हम लोग वापस से कर देंगे, तो उससे का कोई चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So keep on smudging your colors now. Now you're taking your Antwerp blues again. First what you will do is make the shadows. So since this is there, your shadow is being casted here, correct? And for casting the shadow, what you need to do is put a little bit of black also. इधर ब्लैक किया, इधर ब्लैक किया. अभी ब्लैक को ज़्यादा फैलाना नहीं तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. दिस इज़ द शैडो, दिस इज़ द शैडो. प्लीज़ डू योर लोटसेस अगेन सो दैट इट इज़ ब्राइट एंड वाइट. ये शैडो हो गया. अभी शैडो होने के बाद हम लोग थोड़ा सा ब्लू की लाइंस बनाएंगे, थोड़ी सी वाइट की लाइंस बनाएंगे, थोड़ी सी ब्लू की लाइंस, थोड़ी सी वाइट की लाइंस. अभी ये जो स्वान हमारा थोड़ा सा गंदा गंदा दिख रहा है उसको हम लोग ग्रे के बॉर्डर करेंगे और फिर उसको वापस से मेरा पिक्चर वाइट उसको साफ़ करती हूँ फिर गंदा हो जाता है, फिर साफ़ करती हूँ फिर गंदा हो जाता है, फिर साफ़ करती हूँ, वो बेचारा करते रहता है मेरे लिए काम. Here I have to smudge my blues. If you all use watercolors, you all will be more happy because then the effects of the water comes faster and the process is also faster. I am doing little alas because you are understanding, I haven't taken my watercolors before. ये लिखना ही बंद हो गया. Very good, very good. And I had used a little bit of sketch pen, and since I have used a little bit of sketch pen, you can understand my things will go hanky ponky. Now I've taken little bit of maroon, children, that's what I told you. और हम लोग लोटसेस के नीचे नीचे का पार्ट पे ना हल्का हल्का मरून मार रहे हैं, so that effect है. You have to keep on playing with colors, children. Unless and until you are not satisfied, करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ, हाँ, करते जाओ करते जाओ, हाँ. अब ये हम लोग का शैडो है जो पानी में गया है, और हम लोग इसको थोड़ा सा करते जाओ करते जाओ. I'm just using my hands to smudge a little bit of portion. इधर भी किधर ऐसा लग रहा है तो you can make your lotuses more bright with maroons. Yes, maroons is looking better. So keep on doing it, keep on doing it, keep on doing it. अभी हम लोगों को क्या करना है, हमको स्काई करनी है. स्काई करने के बाद हम लोग, मैंने ऊपर थोड़ी सी जहाड़ियाँ बनाई हैं तो वो करनी है. तो स्काई करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे पता है, पहले इतना इतना पार्ट ब्लैक कर देंगे. हम लोगों को थोड़ा अंधेरा बताना, बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट आवर सरस्वती टू पॉप अप. सो वॉट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर डूइंग ब्लैक चिल्ड्रन, ओके, इन द स्काई. And then we can use our what you call brush technique to make a few flowers. See, now I am not carrying it, so I might not show you in this video, but in the final product I might put a little bit of taras in the sky. So be ready for it, okay? Now I've taken this. Now I'll be taking my Persian blue and my dark violet color. अभी वो dark violet नहीं दिख रहा है, छोड़ो. हाँ, दिखा 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 तू. अब ये मेरा डार्क वॉयलेट है. नाउ इफ यू कैन कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन माई सरस्वती, हाँ, आई हैव पुट अ कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड इट. सी, दिस पार्ट इज उजाला, दिस पार्ट इज नाइट. नाइट नहीं है, मतलब डार्क. You know why I have given the dark part and the ujala part together? Because education. Saraswati is a goddess of education. Correct? Now if you are well educated, your education will help you in your night times and your bright times also. You understand what I mean to say? Education is the only key which will, if you are educated, nothing will go wrong at any point of your life. Remember that. That is why मैं दिन और रात दोनों इकट्ठा बता रही हूँ मेरी सरस्वती में. अभी मैं ये थोड़ा lightly कर रही हूँ, then we are going to smudge it off, okay? But the inside parts are to be done very nicely, because वो inside वाला पार्ट पे तो मेरा हाथ गया ना, और इतना जाड़िया उंगली गई ना, तो फिर तो वो बचक हो जाएगा, बचक हो जाएगी. Now she will be popped up. Our Saraswati will be popped up because we have done dark background. I know it's a long video, children, but I can't help it, yaar. I can never make small ones. And now we need to do the bachka puchki part, mixing part. You are understanding? See, I have already put my colors. We'll do the swan with our color has gone inside it. I'm also very shabby. So I'm just smudging the entire sky, and we'll put a little bit of Tara inside. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, butters. This is our Saraswati. Okay, our Saraswati means बच्चों की सरस्वती, बच्चों जैसी. So, see, when it comes inside part, please children try to do it with the colors, because इतने छोटे पार्ट में इतनी मोटी उंगली नहीं जा सकती है, करेक्ट. और जब इतनी मोटी उंगली नहीं जा सकती तो वो गंदा लगेगा if it is not done correctly. Now here, since it is the, okay, I'll take the light blue. उसका भी ऐसा ही हुआ हुआ है. ये पार्ट है ना, I'll take white. ये पार्ट को मैं थोड़ा सा वाइटिश कर रही हूँ because okay, and then I'm smudging it off. Oof, my ungli is getting tired. Oof. Because if you haven't taken good amount of color ना, it will not flow एकदम ज़बरदस्त तरीके से. So दिन हो या रात हो, एक भगवान या एक बंदा, एक चीज़ जो तुम्हारे हमेशा काम आएगी is your education. So always keep that in mind, children. That is why I have purposely made it like that. Actually कुछ दिमाग में नहीं था. I felt I should do a dark background, and when I felt I should do a dark background, all these thoughts came in my mind. It was always like that. So I'm putting a little bit of purple because my ungli is not getting smudged off nicely with it. And if it is not getting nicely smudged off, that means there is kami of the color here. So can you see the darkness and the lightness? Now I'm putting a little bit of purple color down too, so that there is some matching of the sky and the water. See, I play with so many colors, correct? I think so. थोड़ा ग्रीन की कमी है. अभी मैं ग्रीन कहाँ कर सकती हूँ बताओ. मेरा सैप ग्रीन कलर चलेगा नहीं, ये पत्तों के नीचे चलेगा. यस चल रहा है. लेट्स मेक द लोटस का क्या बोलते हैं यार इसको, पेटल्स लोटस का. So I'm going in for the lotus का पत्ते, and then I'll make the shadows down because I felt little green is missing somewhere. I keep on doing this. See, this is a memory drawing which I have done seeing few cartoon images. मन में आया कि ये cartoon images के साथ ही हम लोग करते हैं, तो उस हिसाब से किया है. So it has taken time because when I was doing it in just in front of you, how it comes in my mind. So this cartoon images was seen by me when I was googling, and I have picked up some cartoon image of a girl who is singing and tried to make her my Saraswati. So this is the pattern which I usually follow. I get inspired. I don't copy. I get inspired and I do it. So I want you all also to get inspired. I have taken the swan from swan बनाई क्योंकि मेरे को लगा swan होती है. Peacock बनाई क्योंकि मेरे को peacock भी होती है ऐसा लगा. अभी peacock को कहाँ बनाए तो मैंने बोला swan और peacock दोनों पानी में तो swan हो सकती है, और peacock तो ऐसे हम लोग डाल नहीं सकते. peacock पानी में डुबकी मार के आ गई है, इसलिए what I had planned is that I will do the crown which will look like a peacock. So I made the peacock crown. So This is the pattern which I usually follow. You all are understanding. This is the way how Tanu aunty decides. Sometimes I do copy. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I am not that Mahanatma and telling you that I don't copy image. Sometimes I do copy images. And you are always inspired. Even great artists are inspired, and only after they are inspired do they do their coloring and painting and everything. So I don't mind saying all those things. मेरे को उसके बाल है ना, ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने ज़बरदस्ती उसको ऐसे टर्न लिया हुआ है. सो थोड़े से बालों को थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा है इधर ज़बरदस्ती मैंने उसको, उसका हाथ है तो टर्न लिया है, पर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. सो लेट हर हेयर स्विंग इन द एयर. सो चुचिया तुम ढंग से बन जा. So I think so I'm through. I just wish I'm through. Big videos, huh? So I think so I'm through, children. Please do make it and post it on Canvas and Scissors group. Even if your exams are going on, Ma Saraswati will take care of your exams. And a cute little Saraswati is all set ready to help you do good in your papers. Correct? Please make it and worship the Saraswati which you all have made it, and see the wonders. दिन हो या रात, नहीं, दिन हो या रात हो, हमारी education will always be fruitful and helpful to us. So bye bye, have a nice day, bye bye.